And here is another dam. This one is the Waterville Dam in Waterville, North Carolina. I guess this is North Carolina. It might be Tennessee. I might have to look that up. But this, again, it sustained quite a bit of damage from Helene. I mean, it devastated this area. Apparently, you can tell it's a power generating plant. And I'm not going to go too far. Maybe there we go. It's coming out down there, isn't it? This one will be, they'll be working on it for a while. This road will be one lane for a while. And that interstate up there, I don't know if you can see, I just got off that interstate. Traffic is moving as slow as Christmas.